Hi, my name is Shivom and I am introducing a startup founded by me, WorClaTra. What it does is it enables you to choose the level of complexity you want to work at a particular time. So suppose you are completely unfamiliar to coffee and you want to learn about coffee. What do you do? Obviously you go to internet, you go to Google and search for coffee and it gives you a fantastic list of results. But which result should you go through first? Which document should you go through first? It has a fantastic algorithm, an excellent algorithm, and it's very respectable process underlying the generation of those search results. What it doesn't give you is the element of choice in the level of complexity you want to work at this particular time. It happens at the process I'm trying to explain is there in systematic learning, in education, in colleges and schools. Suppose you want to learn about quantum physics or say theory of relativity. In grade 9 or grade 10, you will go through the concept of theory of relativity at a particular level of complexity in your textbook. But when you're doing your master's or your PhD in physics and you're working on theory of relativity, the material you will go through will be at a far higher level of complexity. But what can you do to choose the level of complexity in a general material you want to learn about? When you want to learn about a general keyword, how do you choose which document to go through first? And after say learning about it for a month, again when you search for that particular keyword, it will give you some results and you will have to begin from scratch to categorize those documents to decide which document to go through first. What WorClaTra does is eliminate that process of shuffling through documents to decide which document is at the right level of complexity for you at this time. After spending some time at a particular level of complexity, you can of course choose and go to a higher level of complexity. So I think and I strongly believe it will revolutionize learning and education, and the way organizations work. If their internal documents are also classified, categorized into different levels of complexity, then a particular level of employees can go through documents at a particular level of complexity, which will be best for them. I have done some research on this and the results have been coming and are positive, and I'll of course keep working on that research and keep refining the classification and the way I can suggest what level of complexity is just the right for you, so that you first of all understand and you can generate innovative ideas on that concept, which will be great. And I invite everybody interested, especially artificial intelligence experts, to join hands and work with WorClaTra, be associated to WorClaTra, artificial intelligence, natural language processing experts, organizational structures experts. I welcome all, and of course it will be fun working together. Thank you.